Good morning, Cagayan de Oro. It's August 26, 2025. Weather is cloudy. No rain, but it's cloudy. Anyway, Uptown CDO traffic condition, Corpus area, Xavier Heights area, and Xavier area is clear. Most probably because they're on online class today. And by the way, I think mawala ang signal later. No time indicated. I think na mga time siguro during the duration of the fiesta mawala ang signal or mobile data as per NTC. Anyway, ang traffic diri panaog sa Uptown going to city proper is okay yet. It's 6:30. It's 6:40 I mean. And ang traffic dali or volume of traffic is still good. Dagko kay nawala sa volume sa vehicles today. Most probably because wala students sa dalan. So that's your update dari sa Uptown CDO. As you can see, Price Plaza na area is still clear. Wala tayo traffic, wala volumes of vehicles here. Free flowing atong traffic. And it's already almost 7. And still free flowing atong traffic. Happy Fiesta, Cagayan de Oro. Situation here at Macanhan flyover going to Carmen intersection going to Rotonda. It's not that traffic. Few vehicles, few private vehicles, and some public utilities. No congestions as of yet, so I think it's good.